deep with the energy. I did try for myself. VIP no regular. Can't copy this formula. Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I was able to maintain these 2-month-old braids and take them from looking like this to looking like this, honey. So if you want to know how I've been able to rock these for 2 months and maintain them, then keep on watching. So it's been almost 2 months since I got these beautiful braids from Ghana, and they are screaming to be taken out, but not so fast because these braids have me in a choke hold. So I try to hold on to them for as long as I can, and I'm going to be showing you how I did just that. As you can see, they are screaming, take me out, take me out. I only plan to have this hair in for 2 weeks because I just knew my nappy hair could not, it would just be all over the place by now because I'm natural and I have type 4C hair. Like, I just knew there would be a whole afro. I know the braids are not like the best looking right now, but my hair naturally, there will be a whole fro on top of this, okay, by now. So shout out to the braider, number one, and number two, there's a product that she used to grip my hair when she was braiding it, and I truly believe it is one of the main reasons that has afforded for me to have this in for, it's been now 1 month and 2.5 weeks. I have had these for a month and 2.5 weeks, guys. The main reason is this product right here, child. And it's called X Block, and it comes in many different colors. When she was doing my hair, she was using this to braid. I saw the way this thing melted my hair. Like, it melted it, like it. I'll insert a picture here so you can see what my hair looked like when it was freshly braided. Like, I've never seen a product manage my hair this well, like, ever. That's what it looks like. And I've tried many of many of edge controls, and none of them have been able to tame my hair like this. So, and that's what we're gonna also be using. Another product that helped me maintain these braids was this spray right here. So it's like an anti-itch spray, and I would spray this on my scalp once a week, and it will stop my hair from being itchy. So because I wasn't constantly itching my hair, it helped keep the braids intact. So I'm just really gonna clean up. I'm just gonna show you how I clean up the edges and keep it fresh and vibrant. So right here, I'm gonna take some of this blue product, this much. And I put it at the root, and I just keep twisting and keep twisting until, you know, there's no more new growth. Like, as you see, I'm just twisting and twisting. And then next I'm gonna take this clip and place it on there. But guys, one mistake I made, like, you're supposed to put the clip right at the root and not in the middle like you saw me do there. So if you're doing this, please put the clip at the root and not in the middle. And this is what it's looking like so far. And then I start just doing that on the other side. Again, I'm just twisting and twisting and clipping, and I'm just really doing the outer edges because I'm going to be taking this out in 2 weeks, so I'm not gonna do every single braid. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. That's good enough for me. And now I'm gonna move on to my edges, and I'm just using a little edge brush and just, you know, I'm slaying my baby hairs. I'm not really a big fan of baby hairs, but this product has me being a fan of baby hairs. So yeah, I'm just swooping and gelling it. You see how smooth it glides my hair? Like, oh my gosh. And even this braid that's fallen off here, I just add the product, brush, and child, you will think I have a relaxer in my hair because that's how smooth it makes it. And guys, one thing I failed to do, I guess because I couldn't really see the mirror, is blend. Like, as you see, there's a little bit of blue residue on my hair, but it's because I didn't blend well. But here is the Nairobi mousse, and I just go in with that and I place it all over the braids, and this helps just tame the frizz and keep the hair looking a little smoother. So yeah, and then right now I'm going in with a spray on gloss, and this is just gonna give it an extra shine because my hair is looking dull. Then I use a head wrap, tie it, and you are supposed to set this for 30 minutes, okay? But because for the sake of time and for the sake of the video, I didn't wait 30 minutes, but here's what it's looking like. So if you don't have 30 minutes, you can still make it look cute. And these are the results. Now I'm just going in and taking out the clips, and now I'm cutting off any stragglers, any loose stragglers, and detangling the curls and cutting off any excess. And I'm gonna go in again with my spray on gloss and just give the braids shine, 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 shine. And I love this gloss because it doesn't make it look greasy. It just gives it the right amount of shine. And here's what it's looking like. I am loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. This has been my go-to style lately, and I'm just putting it in a high ponytail. I wasn't able to do this when I first got the braids because it was just too heavy, but now my head has gotten a little used to it, and this is my style. I gave it a little more spritz, and this is the look, guys. What do you think? Ooh, she bad. Child, you cannot tell me that this tail did not grow from my roots. Okay, guys, if you have learned something from this video, please don't forget to like and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.